I've been singing probably 10 years now. I have always been a child that was very outgoing and willing to do almost anything that is sort of fun, you know, and interesting and weird. My parents, I don't think they wanted me to really do music because, you know, they may not think that it's that pertinent or that it will make a lot of money. And I decided to take the step and come to COSTAATT to do music because I think that it's something that I needed to do for me. COSTAATT has taught me about loving yourself more. They can't really teach you to go out on a stage and mash up the place, but that is what has always stuck with me. How to really take care of yourself, how to deal with even people in the industry. Putting structure to how you work and how you're doing your degree is important because you will know what you're going to receive in the end. You know, a lot of us don't understand that until we get into the program, and then we're flustered and frustrated. Lecturers are amazing. I have to use amazing because they are more than lecturers. They are people that you could sit down and have a conversation with. You having an issue, you having a problem. You know, you let them know that this is what's happening in this class. I'm real not confident about it. Let's see how we could work with it, and not a lot of institutions offer that opportunity.
Drop it down low. Y'all look how your skin is glow. Created in perfection by the
My version of melanin is more or less loving your natural self. Loving your thighs, your hips, your lips, your natural hair. No matter what race, no matter what color you are proud of who you are.
So what if my thighs them thick and my hips them look eccentric and my complexion is a little cinnamon or dark like Hershey's chocolate? What if my hair natural and ethnic and my lips don't need no chapstick and every man out here wanna know how come this woman so electric and her skin so smooth like how my waist move? She's a special queen.
I am very happy that I am a student of COSTAATT. It has been my best years.
My eyes catch them, hypnotize, and it's not a magic trick. What if my emotion out of control?